Hi guys, I am Aditya, currently working as a software developer. So I hope you guys are doing well. So basically in this video I just want to explore 3 to 4 opportunities, and all opportunities are coming from the like MNC's company. The first one is coming from like Cognizant. In the nowadays Cognizant hiring for cyber security role. Now I move forward, there is another company, this is HCL Tech. In HCL Tech they are hiring software engineers, like it's a graduate trainee role. And now I move forward, there is a one more company, Citibank. Now in the Citibank they are hired for Java developer roles. This is a very good option, like this is a very good opportunity to for the freshers. Like if you want to start your career directly from the MNC, then literally this is a very good option. And I just want to share one more thing, like this is another like a Nova company. In the Nova company they are also hiring, hiring for the internship opportunities. Like if you want to start your career, then also internship provides a very good option to start your career in the IT. Now I move forward in this video guys, like what is the eligibility criteria and qualifications for all these job requirements. So like when I talk about the HCL Tech, like HCL Tech is hiring freshers for the role of software developer. This is a great opportunity to start your career with a leading global technology company, hiring for like graduate trainee, continued degree with masters and bachelors, both guys are eligible. Now I move forward, what is the job roles is like a graduate trainee, degrees like a BTech, BE, MCA and MSc. Just you focus here guys, there is no, this job is not for the BCA degree. So and now I move forward in this video guys, like when I talk about the graduation passing year is like 20 to 25. This is a very good thing for you guys. like अगर आपको MNC's कंपनी इतना ज़्यादा अगर आपको टाइम दे रही है, तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी है HCL Tech की तरफ से. नाउ आई मूव फॉरवर्ड, लाइक डेजिग्नेशन ऑफर्ड graduate trainee and graduate trainee CTC offered as per the standard HCL Tech grid applicable service agreement for 12 months. इट मीन्स आपको यहाँ पे दो एटलीस्ट 1 साल का बॉन्ड भी आपको यहाँ पे देखने को मिलता है. अगर आप वो बॉन्ड को अगर ब्रेक करते हो तो एटलीस्ट आपको 15,000 के आसपास आपको पे भी करना पड़ेगा, ऐसा करके यहाँ पे है. एंड देन आई मूव फॉरवर्ड वेयर इज गॉट ऑल द लिंक्स. सो दिस इज़ द जॉब गाइज फ्रॉम HCL. दिस इज़ द जॉब. सो व्हेन आई कम हियर एंड click on the apply now button, it will open a new window. Basically in this I already applied for this job, so just you come and apply this form guys. This is a very good option. Now I move forward, there is a like a Citibank. In the Citibank they are hiring Java developers. I show you all the requirements and all. This is like associate software engineer Java role. Just I move now, come down. So the guys, what is the qualification and all. So just wait for some time, I just show you. Like when I click here the apply now button, maybe here they provide the 3 options, like auto fill with resume, apply manually and use my last application. So whatever it is, you just apply it guys. And now I move forward, this opportunity is coming from the Cognizant. In the Cognizant they are hiring for, just you see, cyber security architect. In the cyber security, this nowadays cyber security market is grooming very well in the nowadays guys. It's a very good option. Like I now move forward, provide the responsibilities and all, develop and implemented comprehensive security architecture that align with the organizational goals and industry standards. Now I move forward in this video guys, like just you come here and these are the like what I say require, these are the skills responsibility. Just you come and read all the things whatever required for this role. So this is like coming from the Cognizant. Now I move forward in this video guys, like I just want to say, like if you come here for the first time on this channel, then please help me, because the reason is guys, like on this channel I always try to make only job hunting and career guidance related video. So due to that reason I say to everyone, so please help me guys. And now I move forward in this video. This role is coming from the Citibank. In the Citibank they are hiring like Java developer role. Just you see here, like a Java backend developer. There is no any need of any full stack developer, no need. Just this is the backend role job opportunity. Now I move forward, what is the qualification and all for this job. This is like अगर आप freshers like 0 to 2 year of relevant experience. It means अगर आप freshers हो फिर भी आप इसे अप्लाई कर पाओगे, एक्सपीरियंस हो तो आप बिल्कुल अप्लाई कर सकते हो, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. नाउ आई मूव फॉरवर्ड, लाइक एक्सपीरियंस इन प्रोग्रामिंग एंड डिबगिंग यूज्ड टू आप बिजनेस एप्लीकेशन यानी कि आपका डिबगिंग भी आपको सही से आना चाहिए. नाउ आई मूव फॉरवर्ड. व्हाट इज़ द एजुकेशन एंड ऑल? एजुकेशनल बैचलर्स डिग्री एंड यूनिवर्सिटी डिग्री ऑफ इक्विवेलेंट एक्सपीरियंस. लाइक आपके पास बैचलर्स डिग्री होनी चाहिए तो आप इसके लिए एलिजिबल हो, अप्लाई कर पाओगे. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू से लाइक यू कम हियर गाइज एंड सी ऑल द थिंग्स एंड अप्लाई दिस फॉर्म गाइज. दिस इज़ अ गुड ऑप्शन for any freshers. And I just want to say one more thing guys, like this is another opportunity. This is an internship opportunity. This is coming from the Nova company. This is also very, and the most important question guys, like where you got all the links. So I just put all the links into the description box, so just you go and check it and apply this form guys. So basically for the today this is enough for me. मिलेंगे एक नए वीडियो में. थैंक यू.